Okay, we're ready for the sink. The hose is tightened up. Okay, that looks good. Put the faucet on. This is the drain, faucet handle, and then the guts for the drain and the stopper. This stuff's pretty easy. This hooks in there, clips in. Take that cap off. In this operates the float hooked up to this, clips in there with this guy, and then it operates this. Put this guy in. So I'm using plumber's putty because this is metal. Let's get the putty. I'll put a bead of plumber's putty around the drain flange so when you seat it, puts a nice watertight seal. Okay, you put that in, push that down. You tighten this up from the bottom with a rubber thing. You just screw that up. Screw this into that first. And then screw up the rubber part with this part facing that way. You want this part facing towards the faucet. Get that tight, make sure that part is straight with the faucet, and then tighten up the rubber flange on the bottom, pretty much hand tight, and then about a half a turn with a wrench if it leaks. Usually hand tight is just enough. That's it. So now these got these screw-in things. You're going to screw these. This is what holds the faucet down to the sink. Put this through. Make sure this is clean. Slide these guys in nice and easy. And then you go through on the bottom with these guys and screw them in. You just want to do them hand tight. Now we gotta hook up the hoses. do these guys hand tight to start them. Yeah, these suck getting underneath the sink. This one ain't too bad because everything's brand new. All right. Oh. Now we hook up the drain. Let's finish the faucet. Put the drain part in with this tip facing that way. Not this way, but that way towards the drain. Drop him in. Put this guy in. This got to be cut. This is too long. I just broke it with some pliers. Still a little too long. Break like 2 more notches and that should be good. All right. Okay. This goes in there. Oh, but make sure this works. And when you stick this thing, I'll make sure you're clicking into the drain. Okay, I gotta actually bring this blue thing up. That's what locks this in place. Bam, now I can't move. Clicks in. Let's test the drain. Yep, that works. Alright. Now we hook up the drain.